Hello everyone. I'd like to start by thanking you all for your contribution to the Bairns Hoose programme. While constituency commitments have prevented me from being with you in person, my dedication to this vital initiative remains unwavering, and I'm delighted to have this opportunity to address you virtually. Today marks the significant one-year anniversary of the Bairns Hoose Pathfinder project. Your presence and commitment underscore the national importance of this collaborative effort. I can't stress enough the importance of this innovative change for vulnerable children across Scotland and how crucial your work is to their lives as we celebrate this milestone and reflect on the progress we've made together in this first year. As the Minister for Social Care, Mental Wellbeing and Sport, I am particularly excited about the potential of Bairns Hoose to transform how we support children who've experienced trauma or witnessed abuse. Today, I'd like to share with you some of the achievements we are seeing and outline our vision for the future. Like my colleague Natalie Don-Innes, I've had the pleasure of seeing some of this exciting work firsthand. Most recently, during my visit to the launch of the Scottish Child Interview Model Services at the Highland Bairns Hoose Partnership, it was a pleasure to see the progress being made towards Bairns Hoose in those facilities in the Highlands. Bairns Hoose represents a fundamental shift in how we approach child protection, support and recovery. At its core, it's about providing integrated, trauma-informed care that puts the child at the centre of everything that we do. This approach is not just theory across Scotland, and we're seeing valuable collaborative working to ensure positive outcomes for children in Scotland. Last month, the University of Edinburgh produced its Phase 2 evaluation report for the North Strathclyde Bairns Hoose. This report provided us with compelling evidence of the difference that this model can make. Children and families who've used the service consistently describe it as a safe and calming space. One child's description of Bairns Hoose is, "You know that it's for me here. They're coming here for me. It's on my side." That is core to Bairns Hoose, the experience and well-being of the child. Creating a warm, safe environment doesn't just improve the child's experience, it can actually improve the quality of evidence gathered during the investigative interviews. Children being more relaxed and able to share information in calming environments supported by a range of professionals is key to what Bairns Hoose is delivering. As the Minister for Social Care, Mental Wellbeing and Sport, working with my colleagues in health and social care, I am keen to ensure that health works in partnership with other sectors as we test and deliver the Bairns Hoose standards in Scotland. The role of health is as a key partner in Bairns Hoose. The role goes beyond input to interagency referral discussions or the provision of routine and specialist examinations and assessments. Input from health is vital to setting up and maintaining pathways of care that ensure that any child or young person accessing Bairns Hoose receives support for their physical and mental well-being from referral onwards. Bairns Hoose partnerships have made significant progress in this area, with deep connections and collaborative working taking place at all stages of the partnership's journey. But we recognise that more can be done to truly ensure that all partners work together to deliver Bairns Hoose. That's why we're working with partners at a local and national level to ensure that health is fully incorporated into Bairns Hoose. As we move forward, we're committed to learning and adapting. The Bairns Hoose model is being developed in different contexts across Scotland, from urban areas to remote and rural communities. We're gathering invaluable insights that will shape the blueprint for a nationwide model, ensuring that children across Scotland, no matter where they live, can access support from Bairns Hoose services. As a representative for a rural constituency, I recognise the unique geographical challenges faced by different areas across Scotland. Our country's diverse landscape presents varying obstacles in implementing this model uniformly. In our more remote areas, we face challenges in ensuring that children have equal access to Bairns Hoose services without having to travel long distances. We're actively exploring solutions and drawing upon international learning, which will be invaluable in helping us provide Bairns Hoose in geographically challenging locations. We also recognise the emotional and psychological impact that this transformational change may have on our dedicated professionals. I want to assure you, this is a journey that we're all on together. Bairns Hoose represents a significant shift in how we work at a time when devoted professionals are stretched. We know change will take time and be incremental. Through working together, we'll learn, adapt and deliver better outcomes for children across Scotland. We want to assure partnerships that the Pathfinder project's about learning and that we may not get it right the first time round. What's important is that we learn from our experiences and share lessons with others to improve our services together. Full multi-agency participation, geographical accessibility and the well-being of our professionals are all crucial to realising the full potential of Bairns Hoose. These elements combined will improve children's experiences of welfare and justice and reduce re-traumatisation. Our goal is to ensure that children across Scotland, regardless of their postcode or their circumstances, can benefit from the Bairns Hoose model of care and support delivered by confident and supported professionals. This transformative journey might be challenging at times, but every step that we take is improving the lives of Scotland's most vulnerable children. Your dedication and your willingness to embrace this change are making a real difference. In closing, I want to celebrate why we're all here. Every child deserves a childhood free from fear, a future unburdened by trauma, and a voice that is heard and respected. Bairns Hoose is more than a building or a programme. It's a beacon of justice, a sanctuary of healing, and a testament to our commitment to Scotland's children. We stand at a pivotal moment. The choices we make today will echo in the lives of children tomorrow. With Bairns Hoose, we are not just changing a system, we are rewriting stories. We're turning tales of trauma into narratives of resilience, transforming silent suffering into powerful testimonies of recovery. To any child in Scotland who has ever felt unheard, unseen, or unprotected, we see you, we hear you, and we stand with you. Your courage inspires our commitment. To every professional working tirelessly to make Bairns Hoose a reality, your dedication is the foundation upon which we will build a safer, more just Scotland for our children. Thank you so much for your commitment to this vital work. The road ahead may be challenging, but with every step, we're closer to a Scotland where no child walks alone in their darkest hour. Together, we'll make Bairns Hoose not just a refuge, but a launch pad for brighter futures. Thank you.